we get wickets or don't get wickets, but I did some good physical activity, so that I am totally satisfied with it.
No, but Raj, given the conditions today, what do you think the pace bowler is having the difficulty in?
Yes, bowling is little bit difficult now because you cannot grip the ball very hard, and it slips somewhere in between, and if the ball the moisture gets around the ball, so it becomes very slippery sometimes. So but still I try to dry the ball by a handkerchief which I have in my pocket, and try to dry as much as possible, and have a control over the ball grip. But it works sometimes, and a couple of times I have observed instead of bowling a short length ball, so it went into the full length, and batsman could easily score some 4 runs.
So that was the reason some of that we saw so many wides in the beginning.
Yes, initially 1 or 2 wides it could go, because I was trying to put a Yorker, and it ball swang. That's another part, because of the wind. There is a heavy wind along with the rain, so ball swings little bit extra some at times. So when I was trying to york the ball, so it went on the leg side, and it called wide. So it happens at times that
But you were doing it deliberately, or was it because of the moisture and the heaviness in the ball and the wind combination which made that the ball swing automatically?
Yes, Manish Paji, that's correctly told. I think you have been following cricket very many years. I can observe these are technical terms which are understood by only people who followed cricket throughout the life, and yes, true. So there are a couple of factors while bowling. So the moisture, the wind, and the humidity factor. So there are whole lot of issues which affects bowling, and
But our question is basically that how was the difference in bowling today as compared to on a sunny and dry day?
on a sunny and dry day you could have a good control over your line and length, and you could concentrate upon your face, because line and length will fall. But today you'll have to give extra effort on gripping the ball and leaving the ball while leaving the ball as a fast bowler. So probably everybody knows that the finger pressure with which you leave the ball is very important, and if you're not able to do it, then it goes here and there and goes wide or full length, and instead of yorker it goes full toss.
So the next overs, 3-4 overs you have again, what is going to be your strategy? I mean, because the ball is going to be very wet and it has lost the shine. So if you are being brought up as a number 1 bowler by the 25th over, what do you think is the best strategy for you to bowl?
I have some good strategy which is in my mind, which I'm not going to disclose because the opponent batsmen are here, and I don't want to disclose my strategy to them.
What is the advice to the other bowlers?
Advice to other bowlers is, I think, just follow the place the ball in the right line and length, because the face is not possible, because the ball has become the ball has changed its property now, so it's even difficult for the batsman to hit it and score some good runs, because the ball has become a little softer because of the moisture. The whole leather coating has absorbed moisture, and it's heavy, and it has become a little soft, so because of which it's difficult for the batsman to hit also. So that's an advantage for Fjord Cricket Club, which we should materialize now and capitalize upon. And I think we have an advantage, even though they are in a better position. Still a lot of cricket to go, and a couple of wickets and a run out here and there, and I think we'll be in track.
What do you think about the fielding conditions, which must be and the run up? That must be quite a different on the wet day.
Yes, it's difficult to do fielding now, because the ground is little moist, and you even though you have a good quality grip shoes, you still tend to slip, and so there is skid and slip and fall. So and also a couple of times the ball itself, because of the damp areas outskirts in the outer circle, so it becomes uneven bounce here and there. So it's little different from the dry day we are used to till now.
But we will also like to tell that the Upsal team has done a very good job. They have made 89 for 1, and they are also a worthy opponent, and they are trying to do their best in order to defend a 212 score, which is quite good on these conditions. So Raj, what do you think your Fjord is going to adopt the strategy? Do they continue to attack with the spinners, or do you think they should mix the fast bowlers and the spinners, or change the variation of the pace? What do you think is the best strategy? Right
The
now?
best strategy the captain would be knowing, but as a player I
Oh,
could
as a-
only
as a
give
bowler, I
as a bowler I could give only my suggestions and my view, and in my opinion there is no captain here, so he's in the out of the this commentary box, and in my opinion, as I was speaking to him when we were coming out of the pitch because of this disturbance, so as I heard from the captain that he wants to attack with the spinners, because it's very difficult for the batsman to hit and time shots. So if we give a face bowler to bowl, and it is very easy for them to use the face of the ball and time it and may score some extra runs. So that's why the strategy could be to give bowling to the spinners who can put in good and line and length, and it will be difficult for the batsman to time or hit in a.
It seems like the rain is very heavy now, so I hope that we should get the match going again, but right now it seems like it could go both the ways.
Yes, that's true. And we have in commentary box Mr. Ashish Patro and Amar Jaini and a couple of other players, and
I would like to invite now. Thank you, Raj, very much for your expert comments, and we would again invite Raj again for giving the inside situation and his expert analysis, so that we can get some on-field details on live on the camera.
yes, thanks.
So, thank you, Raj. So nice.
Thanks, Manish Paji, and thank you for coming, and thanks for taking out time and spending with us. And it's my pleasure
It's my
to be
pleasure
with
also.
your commentary box.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So now I would like to invite Ashish Patro for getting some of the comments from the wicket keeper end, and we would like to ask him how the bats, because he is standing most nearest to the batsman. So we would like to get some comments from Ashish Patro about the situation in the field, and especially how do you think the batsmen are faring against the bowling attack? Ashish.
First of all, what I've seen is the ball seam is gone, and the ball is coming slow now. That's the first thing I saw there. And second thing is, it's raining. The ball is not gripping properly. Therefore, it's a very tough time for the bowlers as well. So when you're chasing, or when you're defending, if it is raining, then spinners or the pacers, they cannot grip the ball, and it's very difficult for the bowlers to.
That is why it is a lot of wides.
Yes,
and other-
yes. Hopefully, the rain is going to stop, and we could start the game again.
Yeah. But as you are watching the batsmen very nearly, what do you think the batsmen are experiencing the difficulties because of the conditions right now? Is the ball become soft, so it's very difficult to hit, or?
Yes, as I said earlier, the ball is getting softer and softer after each over, and when you try to slog, it's very difficult to clear the boundary. So now what they're doing is, it's raining, so probably if the 40% over is done, then the umpire is going to take distance on the conditions and
On the run rate.
So now what they're doing is they're saving wickets. They're trying to take runs
Yeah.
as per the required run rate. So that is what they're trying to do now.
Now the Uppsal run rate is about less than 9, but our Fjord run rate was about 7.
Yes,
So right now Uppsal seems to be in a strong position. So if the game resumes, what do you think is your best strategy to get early wickets?
Yes, we'll try to get some early wickets, and we have
How
to check
to-
the. We need to get the frontline bowlers now, and I think we have to stop the run rate as well, because they are playing 9+ run rates now.
yeah.
So we have to stop them as soon as possible, and we have to take some quick wickets. Then only, because and if it stops, then there is no problem. We can play 30 overs,
Yeah.
and if the game resumes, and after 40%, if the game stops, then it will be a problem for us.
Yes.
The umpire is going to take distance on.
The run rate is also very high. For
Yes.
us also. So it has to be done quite fast.
Yes.
So now we will take the camera to the field and update you about the situation in the field. It seems quite wet and it's raining. The temperature is around 10 degrees and the humidity is above 80. So it's the conditions, and it's pretty windy as well. So the conditions look not very nice, but hopefully we will resume, the play will resume soon, and we will be giving you some more live action. In the between, we will like to again invite some of the other players who have been out there in the cold and give their expert comments. Thank you, Ashish, very much for
Thank
your
you so much.
expert comments. And
Prakhar Bhaji.
we hope to see you again
Yeah.
here. And now I would like to invite one of the fielders. Maybe Dara, you can come, or maybe those who have not given the interview before. Yes. Acha. We would like to also thank our cameraman Amar Malli, who has made this great effort in order to give us this live telecast, and he has done all the technical things, so that with his own money and some donations, which has made it possible for us to give you this live telecast.
Yes.
And in addition, he is a very jolly fellow, and he's been keeping the spirit of Fjord Cricket Club alive. And now we are scanning through some of the players who are in the dressing room, and you can see they are just waiting for the rain to come, and they would actually love to be outside and play. So Dara, what do you think about the situation and how Fjord is faring?
Hello all, good afternoon. So it's raining a bit heavily now there. So we are like in a not so good position, we can say. Like the opposition, they scored 89 out of 10 overs, so they are stand up good as of now, but a long way to go. So we have 100 and they need to chase more 130 or 140 runs to win. So it's a close game. So if we take 2 or 3 wickets, then we have a lot of chances to win the match. But before that, we would like to see the match should resume soon. So that's what. So we are kind of keeping our fingers crossed, so to resume the match. So everything will be depending on the umpire's decision. So we're just waiting for that. So now in this climate, we are missing our Indian garam chai and samosa. So we used to have nice fun. So from during this season, so Pawan Paji used to kind of sponsor in every match. So we are having a good time now. So like as you have seen, like man with the white cap, the kind of a brain behind this live telecast. First of all, we'd like to thank him.
Yes.
It's a great honor. He's the man.
I'm the man.
Yeah. he is the man of
We would like
Cricket Club.
to
Okay.
thank you, Dara, for
Thank
your
you.
expert comments.
Yep. Thank you.
And now we would like to invite one of the batsmen from Upsal team, who will like also give us some expert comments, but
Thank you.
it will be in Urdu. So those viewers who cannot understand Urdu and English, we will try to convert it and with the text message. और जिनको समझ नहीं आ रहा उनके लिए हम कोशिश करेंगे कि किसी तरह इंग्लिश में टेक्स्ट नीचे लगाएं, लेकिन फिलहाल आप प्लीज़ हमारे साथ दीजिए और इनको इनवाइट करें. क्या नाम? अहमद साहब आए हैं. अहमद उपसाल अभी बैटिंग कर रहे थे यहाँ पे सिचुएशन में, तो उनसे हम पूछना चाहेंगे कि अहमद साहब, आप कुछ बताइए अपने बारे में कि अब वहाँ पे आप जब बैटिंग कर रहे थे तो आपको सिचुएशन जो बारिश हो रही है और इतना गीला हो गया जिससे बॉल एकदम स्किड कर रही है, तो आपको खेलने में क्या क्या मुसीबतें आ रही थी, या फिर आपको खेलने में कैसा लग रहा था?
खैर पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं बैटिंग करने गया ही नहीं.
अच्छा, आपने बैट डालने
नहीं, बैट मैंने इसलिए डाला कि कोई आउट हो जाएगा तो मैं चला जाऊंगा, ठीक है ना. लेकिन ये जो
आप
दो
उपसाल की तरफ से आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसकी?
उपसाल की टीम अभी तक जो सिचुएशन है अभी तक तो बहुत अच्छी है, दोनों टीम की सेम पोजीशन है।
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल
कोई
से
भी-
तो उपसाल के तो रन रेट 9 है और फ्योर्ड का 7 है, तो उपसाल थोड़ी ऊपर ही है, कह रहे हैं आप।
हाँ थोड़ी सी तो ऊपर है, लेकिन ये है ना कि मौसम की वजह से ये भी है कि 50-50 चांस आप किए जाए, कभी भी विकेट गिर सकती है, ये भी हो सकता है। लेकिन ये है कि पोजीशन अच्छी है, पोजीशन हमारी अच्छी है अभी तक तो।
नहीं, आप अपने बैट्समैन के बारे में बताएं। अभी तो एक ही
ये जो
बैट्समैन
दो-
विकेट उड़ी है,
हाँ।
तो अभी आगे कितने और बैट्समैन हैं जो कि काफी अच्छा खेलते हैं? कौन से डाउन तक हैं आपके बैट्समैन?
हमारी बैट्समैन तो 11 तक है जो तकरीबन अच्छे खेल लेते
काफी
हैं,
अच्छी बैटिंग लाइन।
कभी अच्छी बैटिंग लाइन अच्छी है। लेकिन ये है कि इसमें से 4 टॉप बैट्समैन है और जो बकाया जो है उनका कोई पता नहीं चलता कि मतलब ऑलराउंडर है
मतलब ये है कि
वो ऑलराउंडर है,
बैट्समैन है वो ज्यादा डिफेंस खेलते हैं या ज्यादा हिट करते हैं?
हिट करते हैं।
तो
जो
इसका मतलब अगर बाई चांस अगर कोई कैच होता है, कुछ होता है, तो उसके चांसेस
उसके चांसेस ज्यादा है,
तो
तो
आप-
विकेट गिरने के चांसेस भी ज्यादा है और स्कोर जल्दी करने के भी चांसेस ज्यादा
अच्छा,
है।
अच्छा।
तो दोनों साइड पे मैच
नहीं,
बड़ा
तो आपके
दिलचस्प
कोई
होगा।
ऐसा बैट्समैन है जो टिक के खेल सकता है, सिर्फ मतलब टेक्निकली खेले और ज्यादा रिस्क ना ले?
तकरीबन अभी 2 बैट्समैन पड़े हुए हैं, तीन
बैट्समैन है
हाँ
अगर
जो
बाई
तकरीबन
चांस
से जो बैट्समैन है सही,
मतलब अगर बाई चांस टॉप ऑर्डर अगर गिर जाता है तो 2-3 बैट्समैन है जो संभाल लेंगे
जो
बाकी।
संभालेंगे।
चले, बहुत अच्छा
हाँ।
है ये तो।
तो अभी चांस
उम्मीद है मतलब इसके हिसाब से अगर ये वेदर आपको अलाउ करता है तो मतलब जरूर जीतने की पूरी पॉसिबिलिटी है।
हाँ जीतने की जो 2 टीमें खेलती है उसमें से कोई हारती भी है, कोई भी जीतती है, लेकिन हर टीम जीतने के लिए ही खेलती है।
लेकिन अहमद साहब, जो हमने पहले देखा है कि पिछले 4 मैचेस में तो आप फ्योर्ड के साथ जो मुकाबला हुआ उसमें आप लोग हारते आ रहे हैं
जी।
तो उसका कुछ बताइए और आज के मैच का कुछ बताइए कि आज के मैच में और पिछले मैचों को लेके क्या मतलब फर्क लगता है आपको?
नहीं, सारा ये जो पिछले जो 4 मैचेस हुए ना,
जी हाँ, जी हाँ।
चारों मैचेस जो है ना वो बारिश की वजह से हमारी पोजीशन जो है ना वो गिर जाती थी।
अच्छा अच्छा,
हाँ, तो बारिश की वजह से ये मेरा अंदाजे से सारी बारिश का ही मसला है सारा कुछ।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
हाँ,
तो मतलब
तो-
आपके जब भी मैच हुए हैं तो उसमें बारिश हुई है?
बारिश ही हुई है। पिछले साल भी हुए थे 2 मैच, तो उसमें भी बारिश हुई थी। जो अभी भी एक T20 था
जी हाँ, जी
जो
हाँ।
बारिश की वजह से पोजीशन खराब हो गई।
ठीक है।
और अभी जो पिछला मैच था तो उसमें तो खैर मैं नहीं खेला था, लेकिन ये इतना पता नहीं था इसमें उस
जी हाँ,
मैच का कि क्या पोजीशन है क्या
नहीं,
नहीं
लेकिन
है।
आप
लेकिन
जो जैसे बारिश से तो इतना इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ सकता, जैसे आज आपका रन रेट इतना अच्छा है,
हाँ,
अभी 10 ओवर में ही आप
10
लोगों ने
ओवर,
90 तक बना दिए हैं।
हाँ।
तो पिछले मैचेस में क्या परेशानी रही है जिसकी वजह से आप चारों मैच हार गए हैं?
पिछले मैचेस में ये है कि बैटिंग लाइन चली नहीं है।
अच्छा,
जो अभी जो शुरू के बैट्समैन थे ना,
जैसे आपके रफीक साहब,
रफीक
हाँ,
साहब
वो तो आउट हो गए ना।
वो हाँ
तो वो
नहीं,
क्या आपके टॉप के बैट्समैन है जो मतलब जिनका चलना बहुत जरूरी है?
जिनका चलना बहुत जरूरी है। रफीक अभी आउट नहीं हुए, अभी खेल रहे
नहीं,
हैं।
sorry, रहील।
रहील आउट हो गया।
हाँ।
ऊपर से जफर भाई है जिसके ऊपर हम इंसार बहुत करते हो अफसाल टीम।
जी हाँ, जी हाँ।
ऊपर से ये जमाल हो गया,
अच्छा,
सारे वो जो हो गए ना जो
ये सारे हिटर हैं,
ये सारे हिटर है,
जी हाँ,
अच्छे बैट्समैन।
मतलब बड़ा स्कोर आप चेज कर सकते हैं इनके साथ।
बड़ा स्कोर क्योंकि अभी चेस करके आए हैं 2-3 मैचों में, तो उम्मीद है क्योंकि हमने सिंसिन के खिलाफ भी 250 मारा था। तो देखते हैं कि आगे क्या पोजीशन है और क्या नहीं है, लेकिन ये है कि दोनों टीमें सेम लग रही है।
हाँ,
कोई इतनी
नहीं, अब ये जिस हिसाब से इनका स्टैंडर्ड है खेलने का, एकदम टीम बराबर की लग रही है।
टीमें दोनों
लेकिन
बराबर है।
इस बारी मेरे को लगता है कि आपको पिछली बारी से बेनिफिट ज्यादा है कि पिछली मैचेस में आपके टॉप बैट्समैन आउट जल्दी हो गए
जो गलतियां की थी उन्होंने
हाँ, वो आपने इस बार
इसमें
सुधार ली है।
नहीं, यहाँ इस बार
तो
इन्होंने
उम्मीद
नहीं।
है, लेकिन फ्योर्ड के बॉलर भी बहुत अच्छे हैं।
फ्योर्ड के
तो
बॉलर भी
अब आप
अच्छे हैं,
देखिए
फील्डर भी
उनका
अच्छे
जो वेरिएशन है, आपके जो बैट्समैन जो रफीक को आउट करा उन्होंने, वो सिर्फ वेरिएशन पे ही आउट करा है क्योंकि आज स्पिन जो है उसमें स्पिन नहीं आ रही है क्योंकि कितना गीला है तो उसमें ना स्पिन आ रही है और ना ही वो बॉल में जो टर्न आ रहा है। बॉलर अपनी तरफ से नहीं कर पा रहा, सिर्फ विंड का सहारा जो ले रहा है।
जो विंड का सहारा ले रहे हैं वो फील्डिंग में भी बहुत मसला हो रहा है।
फील्डिंग में भी बहुत मसला, बिल्कुल
फील्डिंग
सही
में भी ये
बात है।
बहुत मसला हो रहा है। तो ये बैटिंग के लिए, बैट्समैनों के लिए ये एक मौका है, क्योंकि फील्डिंग जब दौड़ते हैं तो स्लिप भी हो सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
कैच आता है, थोड़ा सा झटक जाते हैं, कैच ड्रॉप हो जाता है। तो ये सारे मसले ये जो बारिश की वजह से होते हैं ना, तो ये फील्डिंग साइड
जी हाँ, जी
को
हाँ।
थोड़ा सा नुकसान
चलिए, मैं
पहुंचा सकती है।
आपको बेस्ट ऑफ लक कहूंगा फिर। और
मेहरबानी।
अब बहुत बढ़िया आप खेल रहे हैं, ऐसे ही रहिए।
इंशाल्लाह।
तो पिछले मैचेस में जो हार मानी है उसको आज आपका चांस है उसको जीतने का,
इंशाल्लाह।
लेकिन डिसाइड करने वाला तो ऊपर वाला ही है।
डिसाइड करना ऊपर वाला। हाँ,
So अब मैं invite, I will try to now, I will invite the man who has made a century today and who has, thank you very much Shamas sir.
okay.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका.
Okay.
तो अब we'll also captain of Fjord and I hope he will give us some serious comments about the playing conditions and his strategy, as well as we have the opportunity to congratulate him on his century. It has come after almost at the end of the season, which he is renowned to make, and we were expecting that he would have made more centuries in the beginning. But first of all, we would like to ask Jeet, what is the difference between today's game and the game you played in matches before, and why were you so successful today and not before? What is the big change?
I think the change is regarding my batting down, because in initial part of the season I batted around 5 or 6 down, and I was not very successful in that position. And from last match I started playing up order, and last match I played on as a second down batsman, and this time I played as a one down. Not opening, one down.
One down.
So I think it's clicking, but it's far too late, end of season, but it's okay.
But what is the difference in playing fifth down and first down? Is it that you can play more responsible innings effectively, or is it that you know that most of the batsmen can come and score afterwards? You are more carefree.
I would say that I'm playing more carefree, because I don't have that thinking in my mind that a lot of wickets have been fallen. I need to play. I need to build the innings, all those stuff.
Exactly.
So for the last 2 matches, I played carefree innings, and I think
Comparatively.
that helped. I played as an opener and like 1 or 2 down in the last seasons.
But you have all the time this responsibility as being a captain also.
I would say
Does it
that
affect
is
your performance?
that is a big effect. Ashish and Vineet Paji can really answer on this question. Vineet Paji's batting was really affecting when he was a captain of our team last season, and Ashish is also having some experience in captaincy. So it's not an easy job.
No,
it's very tough job.
No, it's
being a
very
captain of-
commendable ki matlab at least you are collecting all the boys, and you know maybe on Sunday it's easier, but on weekdays it might be very stressful
That's true.
to collect the whole team together and good players.
Yeah, and the problem is that in our team, captain is not only a captain. Captain is required to get tea on the ground, and captain is responsible for all the flag collection and responsible for all the logistics and stuff.
Yeah.
So captain is not captain in our team. Captain is everything.
Has to do all the other work as
Yes, I tried Vineet Paji and yeah.
So what do you think as a captain for the rest of the game? What will be your strategy if you would like to tell us
You mean for this game?
for this game if the game resumes in
Strategy is that
2-3
it's
overs.
raining, and it will not be. Umpires are going on the ground, I think.
Yeah.
I think it's raining, and I don't think these are the conditions to play right now.
But the bowlers are not getting a lot of help because they are losing the seam grip and the spinners are not able to spin.
Yeah, that's true. Bowlers are not getting any help. So it's very tough for the bowlers. It's no swing, no spin, nothing else.
So what do you suggest to the bowler as a captain?
I would suggest to have a good line and length. Ball wicket to wicket.
Wicket to wicket.
And
Like
let's see.
Raj has done that. He has combined the short pitch deliveries 3-4 and suddenly put a yorker in between, and
Yes.
that was the way we got the wicket. So what do you say to the bowler? Do they play? They vary a lot on the line or the length or both?
I would say Raj as a bowler has bowled some pretty good spells for the last 2-3 matches.
Okay.
And I think for bowlers they need to learn something from Raj, how Raj is bowling right now.
Okay.
I would expect some good bowling from Amar Zaini. Pawan Paji would be coming next as a bowler. So let's see how they would bowl, but they are quite experienced bowlers now.
So how are you going to use the wind and the skid in the field?
It's pretty tough out there. It's pretty windy. It's raining. I don't know how to use.
Visibility also.
Its visibility is quite bad right now.
Because
So,
the run rate of Uppsal is about 9, just below 9,
Yeah.
and Fjord is about 7. So if the match stops after 40%, then they have a lot of probability of winning.
Yeah.
So you have to get some early wickets in few overs.
we have if play starts now, so we have to get some early wickets. That's for sure. And that would be our strategy to get wickets. And because I think we don't have too many. We didn't have too many fielders on the leg side, and they have scored a lot of fours. And,
Yeah, with the sweep shots
with
and
the
the
sweep
pull.
shots.
Yeah.
So we would try to have some fielders on leg side now, and let's see.
Inner
how it goes.
circle or the deep?
We would try to have those in deep, because in deep they can have one single, but
Or two,
yeah.
Avoid the boundaries.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you very much and congratulations again.
Thanks a lot.
It has been a wonderful watching you playing here.
Yep.
And you have done a great job, captain's innings. And
Thanks a lot.
best of luck.
Yep. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
And so it seems as if the rain has died out little bit, and the umpires are on the on the field, and but the players are not coming back. So in the meanwhile, we have time for one more interview, and we would like to call one of the fielders. Maybe Vineet Jain can come and give us some view from the fielder's point of view. So now we have view from the bowler. We have also invited the batsman to give his view, and now we would like to invite a fielder who has been fielding mostly in the cover region, in the extra cover. Yeah, and he can see the batsman also, and the ball coming fast in all the sides of the field. So welcome Vineet Jain, and please also wear this mic system so that everybody can hear you easily. And so Mr. Vineet, we would like to first put you into this question that what are the actual conditions in a sunny and dry day as compared to today's conditions, and how is it affecting the fielding on your side?
I think most difficult right now is fielding, because it's so wet and so slippery. When you're not able to grip when you're running. Ball is also very wet. That's slipping from your hands when you're bowling and also fielding. So that's the biggest difference. In the sunny weather, you have good control on your running. Your ball is dry, ground is dry. It's much easier.
But do you think if the shoes, I think, do they make a significant factor in this?
Yeah, because a lot of people, they don't use cricket shoes. And then in addition, the people who use cricket shoes, they are not allowed to wear spikes. So since we are not allowed to use